is Austin Drake with Move Free. In this exercise, I'm going to show you how to work on stretching out the tissue on the outside of the thigh and the hip to improve knee rotation. So I find it useful to use like a table or the edge of a bed, something like that, or a couch maybe. You're going to get the leg that you're trying to work up, and we want to have the foot off the side. And I've kind of got my leg back, and my knee's at about 90-ish degrees, okay? And from here, I'm going to start up nice and tall. I'm going to keep my back straight. I'm going to start to fold forward a little bit, just till I barely start to feel a stretch in my outer hip here. I don't want to go too deep into this because I want to be able to get some movement of the shin, right? And if I stretch it out too much, I'm not going to be able to get much there. So I'm just trying to hit that point where I barely start to feel some tension there in the hip. And then what I'm going to work on is the rotation of the tibia or the shin bone here. So I'm going to take this hand now, I'm going to grab my ankle to kind of assist the movement. I'm going to use the muscles on the inside of my thigh and my knee, and I'm going to try to point my shin up towards the ceiling, okay? And I'm assisting it with this hand to rotate, almost as if I'm revving the engine on a motorcycle. And I'm going to keep going until I feel a nice stretch in the either outer thigh somewhere or buttock hip region, okay? Now, once I'm here, I can decide to just hold this stretch if I want. If I want to stretch it out for a while, or I can hit this position, maybe hold it for 10 seconds to kind of train it isometrically, or I can work it up and down to sort of train the movement, okay? So some different options there depending on what you're trying to do, but you're using this exercise because something tight in the hip here is limiting that rotation of the knee.